Welcome back to our channel. We've talked about 4 tools you can use to expand and increase your social media platforms. Today is the 5th suggestion we have. We've talked video platforms, audio tools, and today will be visual, but today is not necessarily about massive growth, it is more so about combining and protecting your growth. If you missed the rest of the videos on this topic, then check out the professional playlist linked below to discover all of them. Also note we'll be delving deeper into these tools in the month of July as well as even more ways to expand your social media reach. If you'd like even more in-depth discussions, then click the join button below and become a member of our Design Your Best Future Club for only $8.99 per month. Now that you've had a few moments to marinate on the intro of this video, can you guess which platform we are going to discuss today?
If you guessed email, you'd be right on the mark. Some believe email is no longer effective, others know differently. It is a very effective form of communication, but more so, it puts control back in your hands. You've built the brand, you've spent the time, money and energy to create relationships with your followers, and yet, something happens to the platform you've developed and they disappear. Or worse, your account gets cancelled for some reason. How better than to maintain control and keep in contact with your social circle than to have them available by email? These are going to be your superfans and supporters, and they won't want to lose that connection either if something happens to your social media account. This also allows you to bring groups from multiple platforms together to keep them in the loop with big picture messages. There are, however, some important points to make about growing a newsletter.
A couple of these points are: 1. Set expectations of when you'll be sending messages. 2. Make the messages fun and different from social media messages. 3. Be consistent across all platforms with your messages. 4. Share other things in the newsletters aside from your own content. For example, if you're an author, share another author's sale. If there are giveaways in your niche, share them out as well. The goal is to incentivize your fans and supporters to want to open the email. We'll be going into greater detail on this topic in the month of July. Be sure you're subscribed and you've turned on notifications. You don't want to miss a thing coming in July. Please like the video and comment below with questions you have around growing an email following. If you found this helpful, please share. All free to you, but it helps the channel out immensely. Your mission today is to come up with an incentive to offer your potential newsletter subscribers.
There are so many ways you can create various freebies to invite your fans and supporters to join your newsletter. We'll discuss some in the month of July, so stay tuned. For now, take some time in your journey journal to come up with your own ideas on what you can create. This is a great way to intensify your brand and also build more loyalty. That's it for today. We want to again thank you for watching and also for all the support you give this channel.